Hi, welcome to a new video. So in this video, we are going to clean this laptop, which is uh, top end one, like which is gaming PC, which is used for designing purpose, animation, so many other things. High end. So these are the tools which you use for cleaning. This is IP, which is specifically bought for this. And this is the brush, and this is the soft cloth, and you don't tweezer. If there is any dust in between, you'll have to just pick it up. So let's start doing the cleaning process. Once we clean up this part, we'll go to the bottom case. We'll have to open everything and then do it. So let us first clean up this area. So with that, and we have this brush also, which is useful. So first, we'll clean up this part. See, look at this area, which is looking so dirt. Because it is necessary to clean at least once in a month, because if this dust goes and stuck in between, the keys may not work properly, which might damage your laptop, which you might need to pay extra amount. And so I would suggest you to clean at least once in a week. If you have some in this area, you'll have to clean little better, otherwise this, see, look at this. Let's see, it's been too dusty here. It is necessary to clean up. And I don't suggest you to spray the IP directly here on this. I would suggest you to use this. First, apply this cloth, whichever you have, and then start cleaning it. Because you should not spoil the things. This guy uses it for gaming purpose, so he hardly cleans it. Look at this. Most of the time, tea, coffee, and dust particle only damages this keyboard, which is necessary to clean at least once in a week or once in 15 days. But you'll have to be very careful while cleaning this area, because if you do it forcefully, the keys might come out. And let's clean up this area. We have another class to do, the final touching. And we should not press forcefully here because it might damage. Okay, now this part is done. Now let's open this area and start doing it. To open this, you have to unscrew all the screws. Let's unscrew the screws. 1, 2, and this is the middle and third one. And here there are 2. Now we have to open from this area. And if you don't feel, you have to be very careful. Yes. And see, look at this. This is necessary to clean. And since this vents are too high, it won't stuck in between. So I would suggest to clean this also. Look at this. Yes, from here it goes into that and it fills all the vents which are here and this and all. And look at this area, which is, oh god, the battery is bulged now. Let's clean up this part. We're not going to open it. Well, we can remove it and then clean. That we're not doing. But sometimes we may, if the processor is getting overheated, then we might need to remove this and put the thermal paste, change the thermal paste, which you'll have to be very careful while doing. If you have a vacuum cleaner, you better use it. That's all we're going to do. This part and this we have to clean. Mineral ತೆಗಿ. ಅದರ ಕಲರ್. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಬರು.
HDR ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್?
ಇದೇ ಬ್ರಷ್. ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ತೆಗೀರಿ. Okay, this also we have to clean. Let's clean this and then we'll fix it up. You can use your blower if you have it, but I'm not going to use the blower because I don't have it. Okay, you can use IP. That's all we have done now. Let's close this. See, look at this. This area is very clear now. Let's put back the screws. I'll put it the other way, as that side should go, and then this side will go. Now put the screws. This guy has so many stickers on it, so we are not going to bother much about it. We will just spray and wipe it off. That's all it is. Now, how is it looking now? ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮಜ. ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Let's turn it on. Oh, it looks awesome.